and I was able to get it washed up, but the Band-Aids that were in the first aid kit had no sticky left on them. So I had basically been carrying around a dead first aid kit for the last God knows how long. What is going on? Ted with Gravel and Gravel. Listen, when you're headed out for your adventures, a couple questions. Do you bring in a first aid kit with you? And if you have one, how old is it? And how often do you update that? Is there anything left in it that's going to be useful for you? Or anything left in it that's even going to be any good when you go to need it? Now, I got on the road and I got into a situation where I needed some bandages. I got my wound all cleaned up. No problem. I got a first aid kit in the truck. Been toting it around for a year. I've picked through a few things on it though. So I get in there. Pretty much all that's left in there is a pair of scissors and a bunch of Band-Aids. It's fine. All I really need is the Band-Aids anyways. Well, come to find out, the Band-Aids, since they've been in there heat cycling in my truck for 2 years, they don't have any sticking left on it. So I just been carrying this bag around in my truck for the last year and a half for no apparent reason. So first thing I did when I get home is I got a hold of the gang at VLITEPRO. So these guys make really good first aid, trauma, adventure first aid kits. So they sent over what they're calling their adventure trauma kit. Now, little compact design, beautiful military style, MOLLE type bag. Velcro in the front. They actually throw in a couple of patches. You get these two. You get a little Red Cross patch. And you get a black on black American flag patch. And like I said, it all comes in a great little pouch, ready to transport anywhere. As far as storage goes, easy out of the way. It's going to come, like I said, it's a MOLLE type system. What it's going to come with is this little panel right here. That is going to be MOLLE strappable to a panel. So this can be strapped to a headrest of a truck. You got a MOLLE panel in your truck, something like I have in my adventure vehicle here. And then that's just going to hook to the MOLLE system. And then there's a crazy amount of Velcro on the back of both of these. And this thing is going to insert right in there. And then just for a little added protection, there is a buckle that's going to hold everything into place. So now you're stored. Go on about your business. You have a fresh, new first aid kit ready to go. Let's check out what's inside of it. All right, let's get her popped open. Now, looking through this one, now this is a serious, like it says on there, a trauma kit. There is no goofy things that come in some of those other first aid kit, Leathermans and all kinds of stuff like that. Some of the stuff in this bag, I probably don't even know how to use it. It's so serious. Nice little flip top bag here comes. First thing you're going to get out of here is a couple different things. A couple plastic gloves. There's some safety pins up in here. There is some medical tape. There is a giant splint, a little cuff. I believe that is for a tourniquet. A little hyperventilation bag, a big pile of wound dressings, Band-Aids in this one, longer Band-Aids, small stuff, little fingertip things right here. They did give you a little marker, another large bandage. Notice how this stuff is all individually sealed in its own little airtight, safe, sanitary packages. Another set of gauze, little pads. Here goes a big chunk of gauze right here. Various sizes of these little roll-out gauzes. Just an outside bandage with a little clip on it to keep it all shut for you. Everything clean. Back inside this little loop here, what do we got? There's a little bit of scissors in case you want to cut some of that stuff. We are looking at a couple of packages of disinfectant soaps, alcohol rub pads, things like that. Thermal emergency blanket. And then this is going to be a little book that comes in here that probably explains in here a little more in depth what each one of these things are for, what your symptom is, and which one of these products in here will help you fix it. Look, VLITEPRO sent me this kit so I wouldn't bleed to death. If you don't want to bleed to death either, I'm going to leave a link in the description over on Amazon, my best price for this, where you can check it out. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take it easy.